Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today we are going to be unboxing, trying on, and reviewing my April Stitch Fix. Let's get into this. Welcome to my channel. I am really excited you are here to unbox my April Stitch Fix with me. I asked for some spring type things this time. I picked a couple of things from my preview. If you're new to Stitch Fix, they do send a preview of about 10 items, and you can pick up to 5 to be sent in your box. Some people are getting to pick 8. That hasn't happened for me yet. But I picked a couple. I remember picking a bag and I think maybe a dress, and we'll see what else the stylist filled in with. If you do not pick that many items, the stylist fills in the rest. I have the Cliff Notes for how Stitch Fix works down in my drop-down box. So if you're wondering exactly how it works, take a look down there for a more thorough explanation. But one thing you'll want to know is if you use my link for your very first fix, you will save $25. And I will get a credit as well. And thank you very much if you do that. So first of all, we have the prepaid mailer to send anything back I do not love and do not want to keep. And we've got our little bundle here on top. Let's see how this looks. There we go. Looks like we've got something in a beige down there and a lot of blue. It's a very blue fix. I think the solid navy is a dress. Here's the bag. I asked for this bag because I felt like I could use a bag that's a little bit of a spring color and a pretty color. Oh, that's cute. More of a full-size type bag rather than the small one I have that's in good shape. It's a crossbody, or the really big one I have that's kind of falling apart. So I wouldn't say this is super big because that's my hand, but we'll see what I think about it when we get into that. And then we have our little envelope that holds both the invoice and my stylist note and outfit ideas. I'll read the stylist note off camera as always. I think that can be a little bit boring, but they have the different pieces sized into outfits. Okay, now let's get into the items themselves, see what we've got, and then we'll do our try on. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see. So here is the bag. It's got a nice long strap. I really like that it is crossbody. Has a section in the back. I like this because I can put my cell phone in there. I like my cell phone close at hand. We have 2 snaps in the front instead of 1. I think that's good. I think it's going to keep it more solidly closed. But there are no compartments inside. That lining's really cute, and it's this kind of blush peach color. There is another zipper section in here, right here, as well as a little place to drop in a lipstick and a pen and whatever you want to drop in there. So I'll consider that one. I'm going to need to get a look at the price too. I don't remember the price from my preview. And then the clothes. So first of all, this is, pretty little print on this top. And it has the cross. That was the back, I guess I was showing you. Is that the back? I don't know which is the back. Yes, that's the back. Here's the tag. So there's the cross pieces in the back and then just kind of a plain front. We'll give that a try. And then here is a top. This is a wrap style top. I love the color. This is blurple, a light blueberry in it maybe. And then it's got the little ring here. I don't know, that feels kind of dated to me. Does that feel dated to you? But it's a stretchy fabric, and I like the kind of honeycomb type of look to it there. So we'll see. It's kind of a smock, like a really big smocking. This is the dress, I believe, by London Times, the Elowen pleated dress, it says. I've been looking for a dress that is elbow length or longer. And even though this isn't, I still thought, oh, maybe this could help me out a little bit in the dress department. Seems like so many of my dresses are springy and they are floral. And so this definitely isn't those things. It's reminding me a little bit of a black dress I have. We've got the tabs on the side, and it looks like it's going to be below the knee. And then lastly, we have a pair of Liverpool trousers. These look like they're a nice wide leg in this beige color. This is a 1231. If you watched my last video that was a JB style box, you'll know Liverpool is a tough fit for me. They tend to be tight through the hips and then too big through the waist. So we'll see if these are the exception. Those are our 5 pieces. I'll be back in just a second with a try on. The first 2 items, I just went ahead and put the crossbody on with this top. In case I don't keep it, I went ahead and left the plastic around the chain. I look like a little old lady trying to preserve her chain, but I just want to keep it nice for the next person. I think it's really cute with this top. The colors match actually pretty well. So there's that. Now let's talk about the top. I was actually concerned, let me put this over here, that the top was going to be a little bit on the dowdy side. She said to wear it with my favorite pair of jeans. These I got from Maurice's. They sent me a $20 gift certificate, and I got a pair of their Flying Monkey jeans. I believe it's their more expensive line, and I really like them. If I am able, I will link them down below. If they came in a longer length, I probably should have got them in a longer length because they're this ankle skimming. We're not here to talk about these jeans, but in case you're wondering what they are, and I think these work really great for us gals. Again, that wide leg with bigger hips. And then the shoes are from Vivea. I have Vivea. I did a review of them a while back. I'll try and remember to put a link to that in the end screen of this video. But once I got this on with the bag, I thought it looked a lot cuter. So let me show you the back here. It's got that cross in the back. Are there tags sticking out? And other than that, it's just a plain little shirt. I really like the color. It is very comfortable, but I think it's a little bit big on me. I don't know, maybe not. I think I like a little bit of a closer fit than this and this type of a top. Otherwise, it just drops off and I feel like it makes me look bigger than I really am. So, alrighty. So those are the first 2 items. Let me come back. Let's go with the dress next. This is a really flattering little dress. It skims right over my hips, which is the thing I'm always trying my hardest to skim over. Comes in at the waist, although probably not quite as much as I need. There's quite a bit of room back there. And then it pretty much fits me well through the bust, I think. What do you think? Do you think I could come down a size in this? Not entirely sure where I would wear this dress. It's probably just a little bit more formal than like for my church, and I don't go to things where I wear this kind of dress very often. I think I was hoping it was maybe going to look a little more casual in person, and I didn't notice the gold buttons and tabs when I was picking it out of the preview. Or is that real buttonhole? Yes, it's a real buttonhole, but it doesn't really do anything other than sit there. It's not like it helps bring it in at the waist. That would be nice if this was a feature that would help customize the middle of the dress to me a little bit. But overall, I really like this dress. I decided to wear this with my Vivea heels that I got in that same haul that I mentioned with the shoes I wore in the last outfit. Lauren was my stylist again for this fix. I've been able to keep the same stylist for several fixes in a row now, which feels like a small miracle in and of itself. This is exactly how she told me to style this outfit. She said to wear the Liverpool trousers with this wrap top and then pull out this pair of wedges that I got last year in a fix. I love these. They're very comfortable. Even though they're higher, they're just a very comfortable shoe. Absolutely love them. I'll try and link those in the description box below too if they're still available on the Stitch Fix website. So the top, Lauren, if you're watching, no offense, this just doesn't feel like it all works together for me. I would be more inclined to want to wear a top like this with a skirt, but the truth is, to me, this top feels like it's kind of 7 or 8 years ago. The wrap with the asymmetrical hem, this, what do I do with that? And this is not adjustable. It's not like this goes through and then I can pull it to adjust it and tie it off. You're stuck with what you're stuck with on this gold ring here, which also feels very dated to me. So I love the color. This color is great. It's a really good color on me. The fabric is just a teeny tiny bit itchy, but it's not bad. I mean, I could live with it if this was on the right style of top, but And it's not that the style looks bad on me. I think this style is flattering. I just think it feels really dated to me. So, and then, like I said, I don't think I would wear them with the Liverpool trousers. So the trousers are doing the thing Liverpool does. They're just a little bit too big in the waist. And what that winds up doing is over time, the crotch starts sliding down. And that's never a good look on anybody. The length is really good. They just kiss the floor. And so with these wedges, it works. I could wear the little kitten heels I wore before. I could also wear a pair of flat shoes with these beautifully. She said that they would be great for summer, and they would be, but I tend to shy away for some reason from this khaki color on the bottom half of me. I think I've always felt like it's just not a particularly flattering color. It widens me. I've said this in videos before. This color, I think it widens me. Might only be in my head, but I don't feel good in it. And then it's always just a little bit too tight through the hips. I would prefer at this point in my life that my trousers more kind of drape off my butt, which is hard to find. I know I'm a difficult fit. So I think these two pieces are a no. So I tell you what, I'm gonna pull everything in close and we will do a wrap up. About to get into some prices. Do me a real quick favor. Squish the like button. Make sure you've squished that. Helps the video a lot, as everyone knows. Make sure you're subscribed. I think a lot of people think they're subscribed and they're not. And also, if you like bloopers, stick around to the end. My husband usually finds at least a couple to share with you. Alrighty, prices. Now there is one item I think I'm considering. I know I'm considering. There's one item I'm considering and I think I will get based on price. So what do you think that item might be? Let's take a look at everything and we'll get to it. First up, I have the Liverpool Kelsey wide leg trouser in tan, size 12. I have not glanced at the price. You want to make a guess on the price? I thought Liverpool would be $89 or $99 a pair that I got in a JB style box, and it was $119, the one from last week. And when I went online to check, it was $119 for those. So what do you think these are going to be? I'm still going to put these in no higher than $99, but maybe they've brought their prices up. The price on it, drum roll, $109. Well, I'm not going to keep those because they were just not a good fit on me. And again, we got the khaki thing going on. And now let's find this little top. This is the Beacon Jai short sleeve ring detail knit top in blue, size large. This is only $39. But again, I just feel like this looks dated. And is this coming back in style? Does anybody know the asymmetrical hem with the wrap and the little gold piece? Is it coming back in style? But I felt a little bit dated in that one. So that's gonna go back. And now we have the London Times Elowen pleated dress in navy, size 12. This one's only $78. I think that's a great price. This feels like a really nice quality dress. It just felt like it was a little bit big on me in places, and I'm not really sure that I would get that much use of it. So that's going back. And now we have the Bobeau Tanyah crossback tee in indigo, size large. This one is $50. Bobeau is not a super high-end brand, but it's not a cheap one either. Personally, I feel like on this little crossback tee, that's a little bit of a high price on it. So not only that, but it was too wide through the bottom, so just not the most flattering fit on me. So we are gonna send that one back, and now we're down to the one item that I am considering keeping, and that is the Market and Spruce Christie crossbody bag in blush. This is a big color right now. I think I would really enjoy this. Do I need another bag? No, but I haven't looked at the price. You ready? Let's see. $54. That's not bad at all. I think this is really cute. I'm actually considering keeping this. So let me know your thoughts on this box, what you think about what I'm considering keeping. Am I making a mistake in not trying to keep anything else, not considering it? I would love to get your opinions. This is the future me jumping in because when I originally recorded, I forgot to give you totals on this box. So the subtotal for all 5 pieces is $330, but they do have an buy all discount of 25%, and that's $82.50, which would bring then my total down to $247.50. That's a pretty good price on everything. Had I paid the styling fee, that $20 would have been credited back towards that for $227.50 at checkout. I have the Style Pass, that's $50 a year. It does credit back towards anything I purchase, and then there's no more styling fees for unlimited fixes for the rest of the year. So if they offer that to you, I've heard they're doing away with it. I'm not sure if that's really happened or not. I would go ahead and jump on it. Okay, now back to our originally regularly scheduled video. I want to thank you very much for being here with me as we unboxed my April Stitch Fix, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Well, welcome to my channel. Welcome. I don't think I got that light right. We're gonna readjust here. Hold the phone, gotta fix it. Okay. Is that good? Am I in the middle? Am I situated? I feel funny. Let's scooting. All right. Okay, so now I feel like I'm too far this way. Move the camera. Still feel like I'm too far this way. Now I need to move the camera down. All right, we're gonna make that good enough. Can you do me a quick favor though? Can you squish the like button? Helps the video tremendously. We are gonna get into prices finally. Nope, I yacked too much. We're gonna start all the way over. This is a really flattering, let me start that again. Oh look, sun. Okay.